Judge, I, on behalf of my client and Ms. Krause, sincerely apologize to both families for the loss they have suffered. I think I apologize for the circumstances that brought Mr. Burks here, the childhood that Mr. Burks led, and the circumstances that I think contributed to him being here before you today. I think Mr. Burks wishes to address the court as well.
Thank you, Mr. Burks. Go ahead.
My name is Desmond Burks. I like to say I'm not a murderer, I'm not a killer. I'm a regular person like everybody in this room. I'm not gay as what the prosecutor want me to be. Not a gang member. I love sports. I'm a people person. I didn't intentionally meant to kill the guy about the road rage. It was a slap, not an assault. Sorry about what happened. Can't bring it back. About the doctor stuff, just because I took the plea, don't mean I did it. I'm tired of them keep saying that I'm some gay killer or a gay person and a gang member in the same breath. That don't even mix. It's impossible. That's all I gotta really say. I don't have nothing else.
All right, thank you. With regards to on both cases, you may file an application for leave to appeal your conviction and sentence. Cannot afford to hire an attorney. The court will appoint an attorney and furnish the attorney with the transcripts.
Judge, before you continue, can we approach briefly?
Yes, go ahead.
No, just
You stay right there.
I will just because we have today we're going to go back. Why don't we, you know what, which exit can we approach?
What? Yeah, come back up here.
We're back on the record. Mr. Burks, all the attorneys are present. Mr. Burks is present.
You said what you wanted to say. You're done, right?
Mr. Burks made his statement. I've heard all the statements. Before I continue, I just want to indicate Mr. Burks may file an application for the appeal of conviction and sentence. Not afford to hire an attorney. The court will appoint an attorney and furnish the attorney with the transcripts and file necessary for you to handle your appeal. Your request for an attorney must be made within 42 days. Now, this goes for both cases. You will have that application for the appeal. With regards to costs and fees that are associated with this case, $130 crime victims assessment on both cases. There will be $1,300 in court costs on both cases, $400 attorney fees on both cases. There must be a $60 DNA fee. That will be on case 25-003851. $68 in state costs on both cases. With regards to docket 25-003851, you'll be given credit for 647 days served. In case 25-003857, you will be given credit for 562 days served. I will adopt the sentence agreements in this case. It will be the sense of this court on count 2, second-degree murder, to adopt the sentence agreement. In that case, it will be 35 to 60 years in the Michigan Department of Corrections. On counts 3, 4, and 5 per the agreement, it will be 6 to 10 years in the Michigan Department of Corrections. With regards to 6 through 8, felony firearm second offense, it will be the sense of this court to sentence you to 5 years in the Michigan Department of Corrections. The second-degree murder count and counts 3, 4, and 5 will be concurrent with one another, and both will be consecutive with the firearm. On case 25-003857, it will be the sentence of this court. I'm sorry, that this will be 25-003851. It will be the sentence of this court, the sentence Mr. Burks to 10 to 15 years in the Michigan Department of Corrections, concurrent with one another, with the other case of 25-003857. And is there any restitution? I can leave that to be determined.
Yes, Your Honor. We'd ask that it be determined. Roughly.
Okay. It will be left to be determined. I want to thank the Hoover family for being here today, the Soleil family. To the Soleil family, I'm very sorry for your loss, and thank you for that profound statement that was made. And to the Hoover family, I want to thank everyone who spoke. My heart goes out, and my condolences goes out to everybody involved, all the victims, and oftentimes in these cases, the one thing I don't want is for the victims, Mr. Soleil and Devon Hoover, everybody who got it. And based on those statements that were made today, those were some of the most profound, forgiving statements that this court has ever heard. And it's a far cry from the dichotomy that we've seen on the other side, quite frankly, and the smirks and the rolling of the eyes making this a circus. All I have to say is, quite frankly, you are a murderer, sir. You are a killer. You pled under oath to that, and that's your sentence. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
You are a murderer.